it's Jossie Ochoa, and today I just want to share with you guys my amazing experience sleeping on this Lull bed mattress. Honestly, it's been so great. I no longer get backaches. A few months ago, I showed you guys how I received my mattress in a box, and it was so easy for me to set up. I literally just rolled it out and it expanded, and ever since then, I've been sleeping like a baby. It honestly feels like a cloud. And I just wanted to share with you guys this experience because if you guys want to come into the new year with a new bed, this is your chance. Not only do you get free shipping and free returns if you guys are not happy, but there's also a 100-day trial. So take advantage of that, and honestly, you guys will thank me later. This is the best mattress I've ever had, and I'm not lying because look at me, I'm so much happier now. So get yours today and sleep in a cloud.